We're also very excited to announce that we're going to be building our next Gigafactory in Texas. It's going to be right near Austin. It's not it'll be about. I'll just go into a bit of detail on this, and then I'm sure there'll be a lot of questions. But the location is 5 minutes from Austin International Airport and 15 minutes from downtown Austin. It's about 2,000 acres, and we're going to make it, I think, a factory that is going to be stunning. It's right on the Colorado River, so we're actually going to have a boardwalk where there'll be a hiking, biking trail. It's going to basically be an ecological paradise. Birds in the trees, butterflies, fish in the stream, and it'll be open to the public as well. So not closed and only Tesla. So if anyone's interested in working at Giga Texas, with engineering, production, whatever the case may be, please let us know. This is we're going to be doing a major factory there, and it's also where we'll be doing Cybertruck there, the Tesla Semi, and we'll be doing Model 3 and Y for the eastern half of North America. Now, at the same time, I want to say we will continue to grow in California, but we expect California to do Model S and X for worldwide consumption, and 3 and Y for the western half of North America. And then we think probably also the Tesla Roadster, a future program, would also make sense in California. So I think this is a nice split between Texas and California, and just to emphasize, we'll continue to grow in California, but we'll be creating a massive factory and Cybertruck and semi programs in Texas. So, and I also want to just do a shout out to Tulsa, and just say thank you very much to the Tulsa team, the economic development team, and the governor. Really, I was super impressed. The whole Tesla team was super impressed, and we will for sure strongly consider Tulsa for future expansion of Tesla down the road. Let's see, is there anything more we want to say about? There's a lot of information, so anything else, guys? All right, well, I'm sure there'll be lots of questions. We've already started work on the facility, so some initial construction work, so it's already underway, started this weekend. Let's see, moving on to other subjects.